I'm sure you have countless of passwords to remember for banking apps, logging into social media, for websites, for your iPhone, as well as the screen time. You might have set a screen time passcode, but since then you don't know what it is or you have forgotten it. I'm going to walk you through steps to be able to check what that screen time password is, or if you're not able to find it, how to get around it anyway. So let's hop into the Settings app of your iPhone. Scroll down, tap on Screen Time midway down, scroll down again, and let's tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now, if I try to turn this off, you can see Screen Time Passcode. And if I enter in the wrong passcode, it says, all right, one failed password attempt. And if I just keep trying this over and over, eventually I'll get completely locked out of screen time. I might have set this a year ago or many years ago, and I don't remember what that password is. You have a couple different options. One option is just to keep trying and see if you can use the phone password that you use to unlock the phone, etc. And you can see, in my case, if I use the correct screen time passcode, it automatically just allows me to change whatever I want. But you can always tap the back arrow at the top left, and then scroll down, and let's tap Change Screen Time Passcode. Again, you don't know what it is, but let's tap Turn Off Screen Time Passcode. And it says enter that passcode. The nice thing is that Apple provides a safety mechanism in case you forget this. Tap on Forgot Passcode, and you're just going to enter in your email or phone number. If you don't know it, you can tap and hit autofill, and then we're going to autofill passwords. And I'll use my Face ID real quick here, or I'm going to use the passcode for my phone to unlock this. And then I can just scroll down and use the login for Apple. In this case, I can use my Apple account here, and it will enter in that email address. And then I can do the same thing for that password. So essentially just enter in the Apple account, email address, and password. If you don't know the password, you can tap Forgot Password. And on here, you can see it says enter iPhone passcode to unlock this. So I can enter the iPhone passcode. And after I've done that, it says enter in a new password. Essentially, you can reset your Apple ID password. If you don't know the old one, you can just reset it to a new one and then be able to use that to disable that screen time password, and then just to turn it on with a password that you will remember, or just leave it off if you feel like it. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video to my right. I think you'll really like that one as well. And thanks for watching.